All right, so I've set up a transportation model problem. That's a mouthful. So let's just talk about what I've set up. I actually ran out of space. I hope you all can read my scribbly handwriting. So this is the General Appliance Corporation. And there are plants, there are plants in Marietta and Minneapolis. And then there are distribution centers in Cleveland, Baltimore, Chicago, and Phoenix. And so what I've done is I have labeled the plants 1 and 2, and then I've labeled the distribution centers 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the plant Marietta has a capacity of 1,200, and Minneapolis has a capacity of 8. And then the demand for the distribution centers, Cleveland has a demand of 150, Baltimore has a demand of 350, Chicago has a demand of 500, and Phoenix has a demand of 1,000. So in a transportation problem, what we want to do is we want to minimize the cost of transporting something from point A to point B. And in this particular situation, there's a lot of different routes. So we are minimizing the cost of transporting something from, if we go from Marietta to Cleveland, I'm calling that X11, and it's $12.06. 12.6 for X11. If something is going from Marietta to Baltimore, that is X12, and that is 14.35. Going from Marietta to Chicago is X13. Marietta being the 1, Chicago being the 3, and that's 11.52. And then going from Marietta to Phoenix is 17.58, and that will be at X1, the constant for X14, right? And then similarly, if we were to talk about from Minneapolis to Cleveland, that would be X21, right? So now we're going from plant 2 to distribution center 1. So 9.75 X12 plus 16.26 X22 plus 8.11 X23 plus 17.92 X24. Looks like getting to Phoenix is pretty expensive from any of the locations. So our constraints are that we know that the capacity for Marietta is X11 plus X12 plus X13 plus X14 is going to be less than 1,200. And then just like that, the same way, X21 plus X22 plus X23 plus X24 is less than or equal to 800, which is the capacity for Minneapolis. And then if we talk about the demand, we know the demand coming from Cleveland, right? And that is X11 plus X21 is equal to 150. The demand coming from Baltimore is X12 plus X22, and that is 300. That's equal to 300. And then the demand is always equal to. So demand for Chicago would be X13 plus X23 is equal to 500. And I couldn't squeeze this on there, but I know that demand coming from Phoenix distribution would be X14 plus X24, right? So it's equal to 1,000. All right. So the next video, I will show you how to put all of this into Excel.